This is gonna be my last trading recap ever. Hello, my name is Andrew Aziz, the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. Welcome to my channel. All right, guys, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, depending where you are. This is gonna be my last trading recap ever. I probably want to stop do the recaps because now that we're doing live trading, but I'm going to climb Denali in Alaska. It's the last 7 peak that I wanted to climb from the 7 summits. It's gonna be World Mountaineering Challenge if I can do that. So if you can, you can look into that. Denali is a very majestic mountain. It's really, really beautiful. Very difficult to climb, very remote, and it's not really easy to climb. So if I died, it was great seeing you and trading together. It was fun, and I had a good ride. I think in the 40 years, I had a really, really good ride. So I've done everything. Like I was broke, poor. I made money, I climbed, I got divorced, I lost money, everything, you name it. So I think I had a good run. If this is gonna be my last climb of the life. But if not, we're gonna see you back in June and come to my party, guys. At the end of June, I have a party in Vancouver. I highly recommend everybody to come and really celebrate this with me. I had a pretty good trading day with Brian. It's so easy to make money in this market, man. Like it's so easy. AMD and Tesla blew away. So like $20,000 still sitting on an $800,000 unrealized profit on VOO. Let's see where the market is really taking us, but it's way too easy these days to make this money. I don't want to brag, to be honest with you. It sounds like fake, but we do it live in front of you. You can go watch it. It's so easy. Just a bit, the good risk management is really good, easy to make money. Especially that now that we are all-time high and the market is kind of flattened out, it means that the volatility, the pockets of volatility from the indexes is going to go into the individual names. Like Tesla today, we traded Tesla. And look at this crazy, like what? Nobody knows what happened here. Like, look at that. Nobody knows this massive rally that starts from 173 all the way up to 180. Like, what the hell? There was no news. It just started rallying like crazy. And I caught that. So let's go through detail of the trade that we did. So it was coming up, and I thought that it's going to come up for a bullish engulfing. It dropped out. I got stopped out. It suddenly came back up. This is what we call the a squeeze through the VWAP. So I went long heavy and started partialing out, added more, and I got stopped out. So that's 2 trades. And then still negative on this one. And then it came back up again here. So then we started going along on that, started partialing here for red to green. I added more heavy at the red to green, well, all the way up to 178. And then we just ride the momentum. I was actually gone. I went to the gym. I still had some positions left, and let's go to the 5-minute chart. It's easier. All the way up to 178.97, which is a very important level. I sold some, and then at the end I got out a little bit of it. So it was really great trading for no reason. It's just market is just keep moving up and down. So that was really nice. In terms of 5 minutes, so the bullish engulfing is my favorite. This is called the bullish engulfing crack. So that's why I took this trade for the second time, because that's a bullish engulfing. I got stopped out on it, but this is a very bullish pattern. And eventually, as you see here, even though chopped around a little bit, eventually the bullish momentum did work. But another really beautiful bullish engulfing was on AMD. AMD actually had some news. So I think there was a news on AMD that at the open that somebody that wants to start using their chips and stuff. So as you see here on a 5-minute chart, this is the bullish engulfing that we are looking. And usually these bullish engulfings on the stocks that are gapping up, it really has the momentum to the upside. It didn't in this case, but that's okay. That's what risk management is for, because nothing is 100%. Recognize the pattern. You think it's a good pattern, you take it, but you put a stop loss. If I knew everything 100% works, my strategy, then I wouldn't need the stop loss. But that's the nature of the market. But when you look at the 1-minute candlestick, it's actually much nicer to see what is happening on that. So I went long. It was gapping up in the pre-market a lot, sold off. I went long and I got stopped out. Again, squeezed back up with this with this squeeze candlestick. I went long, added more, and then I knew it's gonna go break the high of the day and the high of pre-market. So I went long very heavy on that for a huge pop toward the 169.40, and I got out most of it, and then it dropped and I got to stop that on it. I gave a little bit of profit back, but it turned out to be really, really nice. But the key here in this trade executions, I do it live in the YouTube. You can just go back and watch how we did that. The quality is a little bit low, but we do that. So the key here is to recognizing these squeezes, that usually comes up with a heavy volume on that. That's why I added heavily on that. I knew the higher pre-market is a very important level. Boom, popped up. So that's it, guys. So this would be my last trading day. Maybe on Monday in Anchorage in Alaska, I can trade. I'll take my stuff with me. Maybe I can trade, but if not, for 3 weeks, I'll be gone. Brian Paris Tour, we have a lot of amazing traders that are going to do that. And I'm going to come back and give a laptop giveaway every week or maybe every day. Oh yeah, we have a lot of money. Maybe every day we're going to give a laptop giveaway to the community. I want to get to 1 million subscribers by the end of next year. So right now we are May 15 at 140,000. With your support, with your engagement, because YouTube likes engagement, likes comments and likes, because the algos realize that this is something that people are interested in. That's why they're engaging with that. So with your support, I want to get to 1 million subscribers. And if I get to 1 million subscribers, I'm going to give 1 Tesla to a random person. Like Mr. Beast is doing. But Mr. Beast is rich. He's going to do 26 Tesla. I'm going to do 1 Tesla because we made so much money on Tesla. All right, so that's it, guys. So this is it. So after that, as you see, AMD sold off. So the news wasn't really good enough for it to hold. So it became like the VWAP false breakout. And as you see, is going down. So but that's the beauty of trading. So you get these momentums with a really good broker, with the low commissions, and you're going that. And since I'm traveling, I don't put any stop loss here. This TLT is gonna, expire by itself. So I eventually collect $46,000 on that because I sold 100 contracts. It's $46,000, and $8,000 in the next few months are gonna go that, and let it expire. VOO, I have this open position, 740,000. I don't care. It's gonna go up and down. This is the 500 biggest companies in the world, so I'm heavily invested on that, and I don't plan to put a stop loss on that. Not even a trailing stop loss. I'll just hang on it for good. Thank you so much, guys. Again, please like and subscribe to our channel. Engage, ask your questions. I personally answer all of the questions, and wish me luck for Denali. It's going to be the world mountaineering record. Only I think 400 people have done it. First Iranian to do that. And after that, I have another couple of projects to climb. There's one called the Snow Leopard Challenge that is climbing the 5 Snow Leopard Award, which is the 5 Snow Leopard. Yeah, so it's a mountaineering award given to highly skilled mountain climbers that they climb 5 highest peaks in Central Asia above 7,000 meters in the former Soviet Union. So they are highest peak on that. So maybe I'll do that, the ultimate 7,000 meter challenge. So there are 5 peaks that they're in Central Asia. I've never been to Central Asia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan. They're very, very beautiful places. So I want to go there and climb that. That's another mountaineering challenge that I like to do. And next year I'll go to Pakistan and climb Karakoram range. Beautiful, like not the K2, but I want to climb Gasherbrum 2, which is one of the easier ones because I don't want to die. So yeah, thanks for following me. Thanks for tuning me. And I want to take this YouTube channel toward high quality educational material for trading. And I want to take it toward high performance activity. So I want to bring guests, help us into the high performance activity. And with your support, with your engagement, with your sharing, with your contribution, I want to have a channel that people come to become better in life. You don't have to be a climber to achieve the biggest things. You can be anything, You are a parent, you're a mom, you're a dad, the best parent that you can be, best businessman that you can be. I want this channel to be that, a group of high achievers that they're not professionals. They're not like in the big games of these superstar athletes, but they are normal people, but they are high achievers, and they're fighting a battle every single day within their own life. I like that channel to be like that, and that would be nice if you can have that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. All the best, and see you in 3-4 weeks, hopefully alive.